slippers. Look,
Tom,
Tom.
you got car slippers. And I think I got
Tommy, what's
fairy
that?
wings.
Hey, Tommy,
And
look.
I got,
Look at that.
and I got no.
What's that?
Tommy, look what you got. Wow.
Tommy, is that your own tool bench?
Yeah, you.
Did Santa bring you big boy
Wow.
tools?
And you have a walkie-talkie. Awesome.
What is it, buddy?
Whoa, Tommy.
Is it big boy tools? Whoa, baby.
Daddy, look what Tommy got. Whoa, look what I got.
Ooh, it's a special Hello
Look
Kitty.
what I got too.
And you can erase it with the top. Cool.
Whoa.
Awesome. All right, hang on. Do
Daddy,
you wanna,
look what
wait a
I
sec,
have.
Tom.
I
No, Tom,
got.
I think that's for Squeaker. That's from Grammy Joni.
Me?
Yep.
Okay, let's.
Let's get our stockings down first, okay? Should Mom get the
Okay,
stockings
Mom,
down?
I think I got fairy wings in a candy cane.
I don't know. We'll have to see. Here you go. Here, Tommy, look.
And I got new slippers. Where's the
How did Santa know you needed slippers that were going to fit your feet? Look, Tom.
Look what I have. Woohoo!
Ooh, try them on. See how they feel.
But I just.
Look,
I got
did you get
three
Lightning
candy
McQueen
canes.
slippers? Look at Lightning McQueen.
And look what I got too.
Oh, let's keep the candy for later.
You're mine.
Oh,
That's
thank
for
you.
you. Tommy, this is
Well,
for
Tommy got some in his stocking, too.
Tommy, this blue one's for you. Daddy,
Did
this
you say
green
it?
one's for
Thank you.
Okay, in a minute. Look what Santa put in your stocking.
Here you
All right,
go.
can you let him open
Mommy,
his?